fellow from around Pine Prairie, Louisiana. I had several pairs of braces. My first two I couldn't wear because they hurt so bad I wouldn't wear them. And I worked as a nurse and I really wanted to wear them because I needed to wear them because I worked 12-hour days. I finally got a pair that I thought were doing well, and I wore them for about 3.5 years. I had been researching the Helios for about 5 years, and I'd just been putting it off. I wanted to get them, but I just didn't know. I knew that my CMT was progressing.
Your left knee is still hyperextending, so one more time. I'm just going to switch angles here.
You know what hyperextending means when the knee bends?
Knee pushing backwards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's mostly on the left, but
I have CMT 2E, and I did the video for Mitch about a month ago, give or take. And when I did the video, I was really surprised because my left foot, I was walking on the edge, the outside edge of my foot. And it was just, it was like a surprise to me because I never realized that I was doing that. And so that was the turning point. I was like, oh God, I got to do something different because this is not working. And so that's my story of how I came. Usually videotaping a whole.
we do both. That's it. Heel toe. Bend your knee and swing your heel. Excellent.
My balance is excellent compared to what it was before. Could never text or take a picture of anybody with my phone because I'd always do a little waddle while I was doing. I couldn't do it. So now I can steadily hold my phone. I can look down, press in my password and stuff, take a picture. Balance is so much better. It felt weird at first when I first put them on. I had to stand there for about 5 minutes to kind of get my bearings and stuff. And when I put them on after that and started walking, it was like, I felt like it was exaggerated, heel toe, because I was used to my foot flapping. So it was a big difference, but when I really saw it on video, and then when my family saw it, and my brother came with me for the first few days, and then my daughter came for the next few, and they both were just amazed of how well it went. Lord, that was the thing. My back was terrible whenever I wore my old braces and I had to stand anywhere. Even when I had to stand, I had to hold on to something to be able to keep my balance. My back would kill me, especially like to wash dishes, anything like that. It was excruciating pain. To go shopping, I had to have a buggy and to balance, and by the after a few hours, I just could not stand the pain anymore. We'd have to go home. I couldn't stand it. Today, we walked to a shoe store that was a half a mile away, tried on the shoes, got a new pair of shoes, turned around, walked back, stopped at Walgreens and shopped while we were there, and then walked back to the hotel, and no back pain whatsoever.
And that you had the Helios on the whole time?
Yes, I sure did the whole time, and it was awesome. And that was really my second day to wear them.
Well, we wish you great success in the future, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Mitch.